While Uber transports people around the world without owning a car, there is only one fuel that powers Uber, and that is data. Over the years, Uber has changed the way we travel, be it for work, visiting friends or family, or for a casual Friday night party. But did you know that the secret sauce to Uber's awesomeness is nothing other than machine learning? Be it sending a ride to your doorstep, minimizing your travel time, or computing your ride fare. Uber's machine learning algorithms are working tirelessly to ensure that you get a seamless experience. Talking about the programming language, Uber uses a lot of Python. All the math that goes into computing ETAs and handling search pricing, etc., is all done in Python. And in this video, I'll give you the top 5 ways in which Uber is leveraging the power of machine learning. So let's get started. So starting as soon as you open the app until you reach your destination, Uber's routing engine and matching algorithms are working tirelessly. In its initial days, Uber would match riders to the closest drivers, which was sort of a simplest thing to get to the solution. However, over time, Uber has developed a sophisticated algorithm that reduces the wait time of the overall network, which is called batch matching. Moving on to ETA predictions. Uber uses machine learning algorithms to analyze historical data and real-time traffic conditions to estimate how long it will take for your ride to arrive, as well as the duration of your trip. And by considering factors like distance, traffic pattern, and road conditions, the algorithm provides a more accurate ETA, ensuring a smoother experience for both the riders as well as the drivers. By the way, a few years back, Uber made its in-house data visualization tool called Kepler.gl public. Kepler is a web-based application for visual exploration of large-scale geolocation datasets, enabling you to create powerful geographic heat maps. I recommend highly that you should go and check out this free data visualization tool from Uber, specifically when you're working in geolocation applications. One of the most notable applications of machine learning in Uber is its dynamic pricing algorithm. By analyzing real-time data on traffic, weather, and rider demand, Uber's machine learning models can predict search pricing and allocate the right price for a ride. This ensures that the riders can get a car when they need it and drivers can earn more during high demand periods. Security is a top priority for any ride-hailing company. And at Uber, machine learning plays a crucial role in detecting and preventing fraudulent activities. Uber's algorithm analyzes patterns in user behavior, payment information, and location data to identify and flag suspicious activities. By continuously learning from new data, these models help Uber stay one step ahead of fraudsters and maintain a secure platform for its users. As we look forward to the future, Uber is also investing heavily in autonomous vehicle research. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are at the heart of this self-driving technology, as these vehicles need to navigate complex environments and make split-second decisions in real time about what to do. By collecting vast amount of data from sensors and cameras, Uber's machine learning models are continuously learning and improving, bringing us closer to the reality of self-driving cars on our roads. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting developments from Uber and other companies in the ride-hailing industry. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you.